Katuwang para sa kauswagan. Sa mga bareta, patas. Sa impormasyon, public service, enot ka. Malalaoman, katotohanan ang sinasarigan. Inina ang bagong Radyo Ronda. DCKI Iriga Radyo Ronda. Ang maugmang kairiba. Madya na.
RPN Radio Philippines Network Radyo Ronda DZKI Iriga Member Kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ni Miss Monica Perique and family ng Limassol, Cyprus. Bicol Connection, mga follow-up kan mga issues na makonektar sa mga tao asin ahensya kan gobyerno, relevanting informasyon sa likod kan mga bareta. Bicol Connection. Mga reports kan RPN patrols, entrevista asin serbisyo publiko. Yan kabos ang tabayanan. Bicol Connection. Kada Lunes hasta Biyernes, alas 9:30 hasta alas 11 nin pagkaaga. Kaibahan si Joey Habana Lin. Bicol Connection. Bicol Connection. Ang oras na yan, tod sa indo ni Mr. Julio Victor Marlo Siguera, President, Siguera Technological Colleges, Irigan City. Para sa edukasyon di kalidad, Siguera Technological Colleges.
Saro sa mga kumunahelang kan mga senior citizen ngunyan, iyo ang katarata. Pagigwakan katarata, malabo ang paghiling mo, taigwang puting layer na nakatakop sa mata mo. Kaya lang, mahal magpa-opera ning katarata. An iBerry ang epektibong bulong sa katarata, asin iba pang kamatean sa panlalabo kan mga mata. An iBerry, igwang bilberry, asin ini gibo sa Amerika. Epektibo man ang iBerry sa glaucoma, pterygium, astigmatism, pamumula, pagluluha, gatol, asin makulog ang mata dahil sa sobrang paggamit kan cellphone asin computer. Ang iBerry mababakal sa Mercury Drug, St. Joseph, Watson's, asin sa indong suking butika.
Mahalagang paalala, ang iBerry ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Aram daw nindo kung taano importante ang kidney sa satuyang lawas. Ini ang nagsasara kan mga ati asin toksin sa satuyang dugo. Kung maraot ang satuyang kidney asin dai magfunksyonin tama, posible magkahelang kita asin magkaigwanin man lain-lain na kailangan. Arog kan panluluya, kulang sa turog, difisil na pag-ihi, gatok na kasukasuan, pagkaribong asin difisil na paghangos. Tanganing makalikay sa helang sa kidney, ang solusyon dyan, iyoan Kidney Care. Ang Kidney Care, produktong gibo pa sa Amerika. Asin may sangkap na vitamins asin minerals na nagpapakusog kan sa tuyang kidney. Ang Kidney Care, katabang man sa padagos na sirkulasyon asin paglinig kan toxin sa lawas ta. Kutlita mahal na marhay ang magpa-dialysis asin magpa-opera sa kidney stones, kaya likayan ang kidney stones, UTI, dialysis asin kidney failure. That's why you really care. Always take care of your kidney with Kidney Care. Ang Kidney Care mababakal sa Mercury Drug, Watson's, South Star Drug, Rose Pharmacy asin mga nangingenot na drugstores nationwide.
Ang Kidney Care hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
place you can go. I said, young man, when you're short on your dough, you can stay there. And I'm sure you will find many ways to have a good time. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. They have everything for young men to enjoy. You can hang out with all the boys. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. You can get yourself clean. You can have a good meal. You can do whatever you feel. Young man, are you listening to me? I said, young man, what do you wanna be? I said, young man, you can make real your dreams, but you got to know this one thing. No man does it all by himself. I said, young man, put your pride on the shelf and just go there to the YMCA. I'm sure they can help you today. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. They have everything for young men to enjoy. You can hang out with all the boys. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. You can get yourself clean. You can have a good meal. You can do whatever you feel. Young man, I was once in your shoes. I said I was down and out with the blues. I felt no man cared if I were alive. I felt the whole world was so tired. That's when someone came up to me and said, young man, take a walk up the street. It's a place there called the YMCA. They can start you back on your way. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. They have everything for young men to enjoy. You can hang out with all the boys. YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. Young man, there's no need to feel down. Young man, pick yourself off the ground. YMCA. And just go to the YMCA. Young man, I was once in your shoes. Young man, I was down with the blues.
Ito ang Radyo Ronda.
Put me up, put me down, put my feet back on the ground. Put me up, take my heart and make me happy. Put me up, put me down, put my feet back on the ground. Put me up, take my heart and make me happy.
Here we go, get smooth to the groove. Watching lovely ladies as I smooth as I move. Cause that's what they say, but I can't prove. So turn it up again and watch me move to the groove. As we get close, you whisper Coco. I hold you in my arms and you say Jumbo. Scream and shout, turn and say Colombo. Now I gotta go, so Coco.
Put me up, put me down, put my feet back on the ground. Put me up, take my heart and make me happy. Put me up, put me down, put my feet back on the ground. Put me up, feel my heart and make me happy.
Cause it's why I'm mad at you when that's me. So let me show you around while you skip your PG. But no coca loca boom while I take a peeling. When I hold my baby, she say I do it nicer. I like my chicken red, rock and lemonade. That's what you get with your shots at Jumbo. Now I gotta go,